welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to tint apps icon on iPhone running on the latest iOS 18. The first step you need to do is to simply go to your home screen. Next, long press on the empty area of your screen. After that, find the edit button at the top part of your screen and tap on it. This will open the pop-up menu. Select the customize option from it. Then it will show a pop-up window at the bottom. From there, you'll see different options. Tap the tinted option, and you'll see that all your icons go gray or black and white. You can also edit them using the color function below. Once done, tap anywhere on the empty area of your screen, and you're good to go. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.